Hey, what's up guys, it's Genocide here, and today I will be doing a shooting and an accuracy test with the SOCOM Gear MEU SOC M1911. Now behind me I have 4 targets. It's just 4 bottles. There'll be 4 different places, and from where I'm standing right now, I'm 25 feet away from the targets. So, alright, let's get started. Alright, and there we have it. Magazine's out. Slide catcher got the slide, and alright, I got all 4 targets and 4 shots, but I just felt like unloading the entire clip on it, so there you go guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks. Alright guys, so real quick I'm just going to show you how the blowback feature works on this gun. Just going to let all the gas out of the magazine. So here we go. Alright, there you have it. Thanks for watching guys.